Hey everybody, this is Jim, and I wanted to provide a video that gives a short overview of our syllabus for ALEC 202. As you open it up on Canvas, you will notice our textbook, which is Leadership Theory and Practice by Peter Norhaus, 8th edition. We'll be reading this book each week, as well as additional readings on Canvas. As it says there, this is a course that is designed to help you understand the relationship between leadership theory and the way we think about leadership, the way it's been researched in terms of how it works and how it functions, but then also the practice, how you apply those theories to organizations that you work with. So we deal both with how to think about leadership and also how to do leadership. Our main objective in this course is that by the end, you are better at analyzing human systems and organizations. And human systems can be families, work organizations, student organizations, any context of a group of people together. So by the end of the course, we want you to be better at analyzing those from a leadership perspective and being able to propose training and ideas for how to improve the leadership so that that organization can operate effectively. Therefore, we're going to spend some time on some foundational knowledge, learning leadership theory, and then you're going to apply that theory to actual organizations and case studies. There'll be a human dimension element where we look at how leadership works within relationships, and then also how you can continue to learn and become a better leader. So each of these 4 objectives is the basis of the course. So all of the assignments and discussions that you do are designed to accomplish these objectives. So looking at the key assignments and structure of the course, 2/3 of it is individual work and 1/3 of it is group work. There are weekly quizzes, there are weekly reflections, and I would encourage you to go to Canvas and read the file on the weekly reflections, how to do them, what the rubric is, how to do them well in terms of citing the material and relating personal experiences. Those are the weekly reflections are explained with great detail. Then there is a theory matrix where you will be filling in characteristics of the leadership theories throughout the semester, and that becomes the basis of a final concept map that you present. And then for the group performance, there is a midterm case study and a finals case study where you will work together in groups of 5 and actually apply the leadership theories and content to real organizations. So I'm going to scroll down to the schedule so that you can understand the flow of the class. For each week, there is a unit that we cover. So there's an intro unit, and then a trait approach, a skills approach, behavioral approach, transformational leadership, and so on. We cover 1 unit per week. And for that unit, there are articles to read, and then a quiz, which is due by Tuesday. So there's book reading, articles, and some videos, and then a quiz by Tuesday. Discussions and activities on Thursday and Sunday, and then a reflection due on Sunday on that unit. So the key days each week are Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And then we have a leadership theory we cover each week. There'll be a week for the midterm case study and a week for the finals case study. Although the good news is there is no final in the class and there is no midterm in the class. So that's accomplished with the case studies. So all the rest of the information that you need to know on the specific assignments, how to do the theory matrix, the final concept map, and the case studies, all of that is laid out in documents on Canvas and spelled out with great detail along with examples. But I will post some short videos to explain those as we go along. So again, feel free to email me or text me any questions. And I'll look forward to seeing you online in ALEC 202.